O'Day Osborne will be fighting Jafel Fida, and this looks like a great match if you're a fan of stoppages. Jafel Fida is a submission god. He nearly finished Muhammad Mokaev 5'10", 68.5 inches of reach. This guy was better than Daniel Barez, also Roy Petrocheveria, and he's got good striking, but his submissions are simply out of this world. I got to praise his submission game. O'Day Osborne will try to destroy his opponent by any means necessary. He's a knockout artist as well, as you know, and O'Day Osborne will try to fish for a stoppage. But the problem with O'Day Osborne is the fact that he was having so many ups and downs. He's got good striking, 5'10", 73 inches of reach. But recently he was choked out by Rasul Mabayev, stopped by Tyson Nam, but he defeated Charles Johnson, Zaruk Khadashev, CJ Vergara. I'm telling you, O'Day Osborne is a killer be killed fighter, and that's how things work with him also. His submission defense is not on point. That might be a problem in this match. So I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Side call, Fida, potentially Fida submission.